Hello everyone and welcome to chapter 13 lesson 2 data dictionary views objects information. As we learned in the previous lesson, Oracle data dictionary is structured into Oracle data dictionary tables and data dictionary views. Data dictionary tables rarely used or rarely accessed, while data dictionary views decode the information stored in the data dictionary tables into useful information. These data dictionary views used to store information about the objects of the database, like information about the table, information about the columns, indexes, views, synonyms, procedures, functions, and so on. It is data about data, and most of the data dictionary views have a prefix user underscore, all underscore, and DBA underscore. Here in this lesson, we are going to learn two data dictionary views, user underscore objects and all underscore objects. User underscore objects, it's a data dictionary view. It provides information about all objects that you own, like object name, object type, is it a table, index, procedure, function, synonym, the creation date of the object, and the last modification date of the object, and the status of the object. While all underscore objects, it's also a data dictionary view. It provides information about all objects to which you have access, not only the objects that you own, plus the objects that you have access to. Let's have a look at this example, how to get objects information using the data dictionary view user underscore objects. So here we can use select object name, object type, created, status from user underscore objects. User underscore objects, as we said before, it provides information about the objects you owned. The object name, this is the object name. So here, regions. The object type is a table, created 13 December 2020. It is valid, the status of the object. So as we can see here, this is regions, this is countries, this is locations, this is departments, this is jobs, this is employees. So these are our tables. These are our tables. So to get information about the objects that you own, we can access user underscore objects data dictionary view as in this example. We can use, instead of user underscore object, we can use all underscore objects. All underscore objects data dictionary view will provide all objects that you own plus the objects that you have access to. So it provides you the same list plus other objects that you have access to. So here in this lesson we learned how to use data dictionary view user underscore objects to get information about the objects that you owned. I hope this video was informative for you and thank you for watching.